I'm Christian, this is Kylo, and this is our rolling home, the Condor. I went full-time almost over a year now, and about 2,100 miles later, ended up back home in Christian's old stomping grounds, reconnecting with family and making some much-needed repairs, but now it's finally time to pack up and get back on the road. This is WoahItsChristian.
Why, hello there. No hug? Hi. I didn't even have to ask for it this time. Good morning. I'm right your face. You good boy. You brought me a toy? Alright, move. Dad's gotta fix the closet today. Alright. Fixing my closet today. Well, attempting to. But I'm not sure if I put this on camera. I hit a massive pothole in Georgia, and the tension rod in the closet broke. See? And it snapped right out. Look. So yeah, fell right there. All close for that. But I know on this side, the left side, I had the shoe rack. So I'm wondering that's where all the weight is. And obviously when the breaking point, when I hit a pothole, it just committed suicide. So, but I've been folding clothes and laying them right next to here because I can't hang them. So, gonna try to fix that today. Hopefully you can see what's going on in there. But I got the old piece out and the new piece in. Oh, I think I just scratched the wall. But I'm gonna have to a little improvise because it's a little lower. So, figure this out. Now this side. Alright, it is the next morning. I got the tension rod in. That was not fun. I had to it was super tight, so I had to push it, yank it all the way up here. Kyla's over here sleeping. So I'm gonna screw that in now. Make sure I'm pretty sure once I put weight on it, it'll lock into place, but screw on it screw down everything before I put clothes on it, obviously. That was not fun, but voila. Yep. I think it's a little slanted, like it's going up, but it's fine because this side is gonna be the shoe rack anyway. I think this is, the crack is right here. It'll probably even itself out. Alright! Pretty important package that I almost lost. Because apparently there's two sites 12, so there's one for the RV side and then there's for the mobile house side. And package went to their mailbox, lot 12. So, got this off a good deal on eBay. This is going to be my internet for moving forward in the RV. Because not every RV park, like this one, has internet. So, I got this little guy. Been seeing the ads everywhere on my phone ever since I googled Starlink. It's not Starlink, but it's something on the lines of it.
Little GT.
It's for Laudio calling me. Ta-da! Look at this! What's that, Kylo? Now I'm going to figure out how to connect this. Alright. On their website now, trying to connect the router. Okay. Alright, signing in. HomeFi. Alright, account details. Why does it have my address? No, it's not the right address. No. See, how do you activate a device? my account. Learn more. Let's see. It's probably in the book. I should probably read the instructions. Alright. Okay. Charging, booting up, power button, connecting indicators. Okay. Charge, power on, sign up. Oh, there's an app. Doi. Doi. Oh, Kylo! Whoa! Dude! He's right under me, too. Look at this. Right in the line of fire, huh? Oh, my. Dude, why do you do this to me? Huh? Solus Wi-Fi. And there it is. Sumu. Right? Oh. I think that's it. SIMO. Is that it? It's the same logo. I'm guessing that's it. Oh no, I hope this... Please don't be petty. I think it's still... This device is still activated to someone's account. That will not be good. Alright, set up new device. Here we go. I have a Solus Lite. Please turn on the Solus. I think it's dead. There we go. It's turned on. Great. Now wait for a second to static light. Static light. 3 indicator lights will stand still. Here we go. Found a signal. This might take a couple minutes depending on your location. Okay, it's blinking. Scan QR code. Here we go. Oh, upside down. This device has been registered to another account. Please contact customer support for further assistance. Alright. Might have a small little problem. So I got it for a little bit cheaper. Got a deal on it on eBay. So it's still linked to the seller's account. So I'm on message with the seller and chat support. And we're trying to see how we're going to mesh things together. The price for cheaping out, right? Yeah. They are asking to confirm your email. Is the device secondhand? Yes. Is the device turned off? It's on. Indeed, the device is linked to another account. Do you have a way to contact this person who provided it so they can confirm the email associated with the device? Just in case I didn't steal it. If they provide it to you, please give me so I can verify it. Unlike the previous owner from the account and device linked to yours. Perfect. So it's still paired to the guy that sold it to me's account. So they're, I guess, just making sure I didn't steal it. So I guess I'll just keep this on. This guy's taking his time. The eBay guy. Yay! Oh, God. I bought it secondhand at a garage sale, but I called customer service and told him that, and I told him to please deactivate it, and they told me it was deactivated. Great, so I bought it from someone who bought it from someone. I've been on chat support for about 5-10 minutes now, and because it's still paired and linked to another account, they're saying if I can prove proof of purchase, which is the eBay receipt, if I send that to them, they can unpair the device and pair it to me. So we're seeing this right now. So, alright. David said, it's all set. Please log out, then sign back into the app with your account. Your device is linked. I said, thank you so much. Truly appreciate it. Wonderful. It has been a pleasure to assist you. Besides this, was there anything else? No, that was pretty much it. Haha. Sound like I'm texting a cute boy. Smiley face emoji. Alright, so shout out to David at MiFi Solus Light Simpo. Shout out to David. So I actually got the device for free. So here's what happened. I bought it off eBay, found it for cheaper, because brand new it would have been like $80. So I found someone selling it secondhand off eBay, bought it from them, but the device was still paired to whoever the person that I bought it from. Oh god, this is hurting my head. The device was still linked to whoever I bought it from, they bought it from. Does that make sense? So the dude from the company said that they can unlink it from that person's device account if I can provide proof of purchase from eBay, which I did. Oh my god. So I did that, and now he just paired it to my account. So now everything should be fine. And then, because the dude from eBay wasn't sure if I would be able to use it, so he went ahead and refunded me anyway. Yep, your device is online. Oh. It has a gigabyte plan already in it. Current plan. Lifetime data coverage. What? Got the TV hooked up. Got the PS5 hooked up. And it's going so well so far. I'm going to try to test it with the movie in a little bit. Speed test now. Turn this off. What the? Come on. It's actually going faster than usual. Alright, connection speed download. As soon as I turn this camera off, it's going to pop over. Watch. Alright. This is before I upgraded with the plan. But, let's see. Download speed, 29 megabytes. Upload, 19. Why, good morning. Doing some laundry here, watching some RV vids. Why, hello, Kylo. It's only when I'm talking is when you come up to me. Hi. Whenever I'm on the phone or FaceTime, or if I'm just talking in general, he just comes up to me. Ah! And he gives hugs, if you remember. Say hi to everybody. Look. Hello. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Oh. Daddy's doing laundry. Move. Go. So I use the laundry facilities here at the campground, and the dryer did not dry my clothes completely. So I'm laying out everything that's still damp and just folding what's dry. But that thing ate my $2, and I put it on heavy duty and high and everything, and it just didn't dry my clothes all the way. I'm so pissed. A little update on the HomeFi. It's been great so far. Streaming YouTube. I streamed Netflix last night. I watched a 4K movie last night. Like, this is really, for the price, not bad at all. Pretty decent. For budget-wise, pretty decent. So I keep it right here behind the TV and just charged so it doesn't die. But yeah, I'd give this thumbs up.
Amazing. Who close to?
Yeah, I need to guarantee that. We need to get it. Are you sure? Because I don't want to. Yeah. That's doing this thing where we're not going through standard car washes, so we don't swirl the paint up. So we're navigating right now.
Good morning. Apparently it got so cold last night that my water filter cracked like a lychee. Look at that. You hear that? You hear the ice in there? But yeah, it's like 11 o'clock. I'm cooking pizza. My neighbor knocks on the door and says the water filter's leaking. And I come out, it's like pouring water. So yeah, good neighbors here. But I knew I should have bought a heated hose. I knew it. Add that to my wish list.
So yes, unfortunately my water filter busted last night. Like a lychee. And I guess it's not ice that you can hear, it's just the contents in the filter. But yeah, it really did look like a crack like a lychee. Yeah, pouring out from right here. So I'm going to screw this off because this is reusable. And yeah, store it away. It was 9 months old anyway. And you're supposed to replace them every 6 months. 60 psi. Temperature 40 degrees below. Oh. No wonder this cracked. It even says it on the friggin' sticker. But yeah, look at the contents in it. Why does it look like that? I don't even know if you can see that. Yeah. Good morning. Trying to defrost that. Because remember when I needed propane in Fort Myers area, Orlando area, the fridge wasn't really on, so cycling on, off. So all the ice drained off the wall and froze right here when I plugged into electric. So trying to melt it. So I'm trying to use the ice scraper. I was able to get most of it. That's good enough for now, right? Mr. Putting ice on the couch.